Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage server configurations with Puppet, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Puppet installed on your system. Visit Puppet's official website to download the installer for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions specific to your OS. After installing, confirm that Puppet is correctly set up by running the command Puppet version in your terminal. Next, create a dedicated directory for your Puppet modules. This will help keep your configurations organized. Navigate to the newly created directory. Inside, create a subdirectory for your first Puppet module. Choose a meaningful name for your module, reflecting its purpose. Once the directory is created, navigate into it. In this directory, create a file named init.pp. This file will serve as the main entry point for your Puppet module. Open init.pp in your preferred text editor. Define a class within this file using the class keyword. For example, class MyModule. Now, within this class, specify the resources you want to manage. You can manage packages, services, and files using Puppet's resource types. For instance, to install a package, use package httpd ensure equals installed. To manage a service, add a service resource. For example, service httpd ensure equals running, enable equals true. Next, you might want to define file resources. For instance, file /etc/httpd/conf/httpd.conf ensure equals file, source equals Puppet. Once your resources are defined, it's time to test the module. Run Puppet apply init.pp in your terminal to apply the configurations. Check for any errors during the application process. If everything looks good, your configuration should be live on the server. To manage multiple servers, set up a Puppet master. Install the Puppet master service on a designated server. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.